The Tappan Zee Bridge is a twin cable-stayed bridge spanning the Hudson River between Tarrytown and Nyack in the U.S. state of New York. It was built to replace the original Tappan Zee Bridge, which was located just to the south. The new bridge's north span carries the northbound and westbound automobile traffic of the New York State Thruway, Interstate 87 and I-287. It also carries a shared-use path for bicycles and pedestrians. The south span carries southbound and eastbound automobile traffic. The process to replace the original bridge kicked off in 2012, and Tappan Zee constructors began construction on the new spans in 2013. The left coast lifter was instrumental in the construction of the bridge. The north span officially opened to westbound traffic on August 26, 2017, and eastbound traffic temporarily began using the north span on October 6, 2017. Tappan Zee constructors then began demolishing the old bridge. An opening ceremony for the south span was held on September 7, 2018, and traffic started using the new span 3 days later. The Tappan Zee River crossing was named by 17th-century Dutch settlers. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.